Hello, welcome to jQuery tutorial chapter 6 jQuery Element Selector, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session we are going to learn about how do we select an element by tag name. So it's very simple. If we need to select an element by tag name, then we need to make use of the jQuery Element Selector, in the sense the jQuery the tag selector. So here is the syntax, the dollar symbol, the factory function. Within that we have to pass the element name, in the sense the tag name. So here I have two examples you can observe very clearly, like within the dollar function, what I'm trying to pass is I'm trying to pass the tag name td. What it does is it selects all the td elements. Similarly below that have like dollar symbol, within that I have div and space a. What it does is it selects all the anchor elements that are descendants of div element. So right now in this session we are going to learn like how do we select an element by tag name. It's very simple. So let me jump into Visual Studio and let me show you an example regarding jQuery element selector, in the sense how do we select an element by tag name. It's very simple. So first let me show you an example of table. So here we have the table tag and the tr. So let me add age. Okay. And after that, so what I need to do is, okay, let me do like this. It's very simple. Okay, let me take a table tag first. Okay, let me add Sam. Let me copy and paste this twice. Okay, let me take some other 3 to 4 tables, sorry, 3 to 4 rows. It's John. I have to change your the content to 100 and it's A. Similarly I'm just taking a random content, B. Similarly this is Sham and this is not 1 and it's 1 or 2, it's 1 or C. Okay, now what I'll do is let me style the table. Okay, let me write some internal styles. Okay, table. Okay, what I need is I need a border. Let me add that. It's 1 pixel, solid black. Okay, then border collapse is equal to, let me, the value is collapse, Control S. Okay, now what I need to do is let me run this page let me push this page to the browser by clicking on this Chrome button, or you have to press Control F5. So once I've done that, what it does is it takes me to the Chrome browser and it displays my HTML. That is, right now I have a table with 3 rows. Okay, and let me wait for that. Once the build is succeeded, it takes me to the Chrome browser and it prints the table there. So let's wait for that. It's been done, build has succeeded, and now it's been taking us to the browser. Yes, that's been happening. Okay, and now yes, it loads soon. Yes, let's wait for that. It's been happening at the background. You can observe the wait symbol there. Or let me close this. Okay, now what I'll do is let me stop the application and let me run by pressing Ctrl F5. Okay, once I do that, okay, here you can observe we are getting the tables Sam 100A, John 100B, Shan 102C. So now what I'll do is I need to set the width of it table and let me tr me go back and let me refresh here. Okay, okay, and here you can observe this is the table. Let me make it okay. Now my objective is, what I need to do is, now I have to identify this tr, okay, tr element. Okay, then I need to apply the background color with the help of jQuery selector, that is tag name select. You can identify, we are going to identify the element by tag name. So what I'll do right now, I'll write a script. Okay, what I need to do is, first I need to check whether the document is loaded, document, and I need to call the ready function. Okay, and now okay, now I'm going to identify this element tr by its name, by the tag name. So the dollar symbol, okay, I'm going to call the td. Now sorry, it's tr dot, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to apply, I'm going to call the css method. There I'm going to tell background color, it's, let me take it as yellow. You control S. Let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe right now, okay, we are getting each row tr, okay, the background color as yellow. Why? Because here we are written the code in such a way, like once the document is loaded, we are telling like identify the element with this name tr and apply this css what I've given right now, background color yellow. Okay, and this is what we are doing right now. We are identifying an element by its name, that is tag name. So, and that's the thing about the table. Okay, now right now what I'll do is, I'll add another uh, I'll copy this and I'll paste it on the row and I'll give it as 10. Similarly, let me do for the below one also. And for this as well, let me change it to 20 and this to 30. Control S. Let me go back and let me refresh. Okay, we are going to get 10, 20, 30. And now what I'll do is, I'm going to add another row. Let me refresh. We'll get 4 rows now as of now. Now my objective is, I want only the row which is in the even position, or I want only the rows in the even number to get colored yellow. For example, this is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So I want only 0 and the second row to get the background color yellow. How can I do that? I can do that, it's very easily. What I need to do is, I need to specify here tr, okay, this colon, then I have to tell even. I do control S. Let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe right now only the even rows are getting colored, background color as hello. Okay, this is what the beauty of like HTML element. Okay, the selecting an element by its name itself, and we are applying the thing like only the rows which are even should have the background color yellow. Okay, and right now let me erase all these things out. Okay, and that's fine. Okay, and I have another one example. Okay, that I'm leaving for you, and you guys have to try this. It's very simple. What I need to do, what you need to do is, you need to take a div element. When within that you have to take an anchor tag, and within anchor tag you have to specify some of the links, anchor link. So let me show you. It's very simple, and that's not a big deal. So let me delete this table first as of now, or let the table exist, not a problem. Let me go back. Let me come here and let me add a few break lines. Let me take a div element, and within that let me take an anchor element, and let me give it as the link name as hello. Similarly, let me copy this and I'll paste it. Let me add a few break lines. Okay, and here I'll name it as hi. The link names are hello, hi, and it's bye. Okay, let me go back and let me refresh. I'll get it as hello, hi, and bye. Right now my objective is, what I need to do is I need to provide the background color to all these things, hello, hi, and bye, for all the anchor tags. So how can I do that? What I need to do is, once the document is loaded, okay, I have to tell like identify, okay, the anchor tags which are present inside the div element, okay, and apply the CSS method, which, let me copy this just to save the time. I'm doing this, Control C, and I'm pasting it here. I'll change the background color to red, not to yellow. Okay, now let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe, okay, the anchor tags are having the background color as red. Okay, what we do is we just wrote a selector, that is tag selector. You are selecting the element by its name. So what I'm doing, I'm telling jQuery like select all the anchor tags which are present inside the div, so, and apply background color red, and that's what it's doing here. Okay, it's been applied the background color red to all the anchor tags, and that's what our second task, and we completed it successfully. And we learned like how to select an element by its name. Okay, and that's for the day. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer websites. We're on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.